Introducing from Hippo, the brand new ECO-PAC sausages, and we think you're going to be very happy with these. This is Pro3, which you know and love, repackaged from well-known traditional plastic cartridges. There's a number of reasons behind this, but one you'll really love is that they're better value for money. Hippo ECO-PACs go up to 38% further than plastic cartridges. Each pack holds 400 mils of product and has the same retail price as a plastic cartridge, which only holds 290 mils. All the product information is printed at the top, and these are available in both white and crystal clear. Also, they're very durable, so you don't have to worry about them getting bashed in the back of the van. Nothing will happen. Now, one noticeable thing is that you have a slightly different applicator gun. It's a fully enclosed metal gun for sausages, but if you want, it can still be used with traditional cartridges as well. So these are very straightforward to use with no mess. Each ECO-PAC comes with a separate nozzle. So to get up and running, you simply have to prep the gun, then you remove the barrel head like so, and then you insert the nozzle. The next thing you need to do is grab the sausage. Now, to open these, you simply have to cut either end with a pair of scissors. Then, with your gun, drop the sausage into the barrel and then screw on the head and the nozzle. Now, you want to give this just a few pumps to see the product will start to come through and flow through the nozzle. Once you've used up all of the product, one of the great features of ECO-PAC is how little waste there is. It's actually very easy to remove the waste from the gun. There's nothing left in the gun, with no mess to clear up afterwards. But the important thing here is the amount of leftover waste. If I remove the nozzle, and bear in mind you can reuse this later, you can see exactly the amount of waste. That is 96% less waste in volume than a plastic cartridge. So, you've got your 38% saving from packaging that goes much further, costing just the same as old traditional plastic cartridges, but more importantly, the environment benefits as well, because this takes up to 96% less room. That's the fantastic new Pro3 ECO-PAC from Hippo.